So good to have Aditi Mishra ma'am with us. Aditi ma'am, as we all know, is I am at IIM Ahmedabad for a school leadership
I
program.
know, I know. I saw your picture.
Yeah, I was, and I have one of the principals working with Aditi ma'am here with me in my class, so undergoing the same program. And the moment I told her that I know Aditi ma'am, and so the respect for me went two notch higher, I think. So, and I was
Ankur,
also with the. No, I want to complete this. I was also with the principal of Tula's this school, Hopetown School,
Uptown.
Supriya,
We
and I
work
just
together. Hmm.
I was just talking over lunch with her that I am meeting Aditi ma'am in the evening. I'm hosting her for a podcast, and she's like, "Oh yeah, work with Aditi ma'am. She's my mentor at DPS Vasant Kunj." So I mean, this is and you just congratulations. You just were awarded an honorary doctorate at Wesleyan College, if I'm not wrong. So
Yes.
uh, in US, amazing, ma'am. What an inspiration! I think. And I have been blessed that I have been associated with you for the last couple of years. We
Yes.
have been with you at we have been with us at Intersect. I have been at your
Yes.
we did that podcast together where I had
Yes.
that honor of hearing your own inspiring journey of how you started as a teacher at DPS RK Puram, went on
Yeah.
to DPS Vasant Kunj, and then setting up DPS in Gurugram, Sector 45, and then onwards, journey continues now with Dharav schools. I was in Jaipur, a couple of your schools that
Yes.
you linked me to last week. I was there,
Yes.
and amazing. I mean, both the schools at Dharav at Ajmer Road and then at
Vidyadhar
Vidyanagar.
Nagar. Ah.
Vidyadhar Nagar. I mean, both of the principals are amazing, and I mean, we couldn't stop talking more about you and the impact that your work has been having on
Very.
so many lives. And this is just the teachers and the principals and people like me, students of education. And then there are thousands of students, I'm sure, everywhere around the world that have benefited from your institution building, from your teaching, from your. So what a I couldn't have asked for a. Better timing also. I mean, you just got the honorary doctorate. So I'm like, yeah, I saw it on LinkedIn. I was like, yeah, ये
Thank
बात
you.
करेंगे Aditi ma'am से.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you, Ankur. Very
and
humbling.
and then I've kept a topic also that building institutions, not just schools.
Yeah.
I think we couldn't have asked for a apt speaker than this. So thank you so much. I already see that we have more than 30 participants here listening in eagerly to you. It's a wonderful evening, and I think we are in for a lot of learning with Aditi ma'am over the course of next 25 minutes, and then we continue. You know, this is Intersect Virtual Festival. We have been hosting this over the last couple of weeks. This is the third week, and in this third week, we have four fantastic speakers, starting with Aditi ma'am. Then we are going up to Dr. Ashwin Fernandez, who heads QS in India and globally also. He's doing fantastic work. And then we have Dexter joining in from Johannesburg, African Leadership Academy. Now, sorry, he works with Crucible in Zambia, in Lusaka. He will be talking about African students. And finally, we will have Ronak Jain, the vice chairman at Tula's International School in Dehradun, also joining us and talking about a very interesting topic. But now, for the moment, let's go to Aditi ma'am. Aditi ma'am, I mean, you began your journey. I mean, you may not like this word, but many years ago, but you are still young. I don't want to quantify the number, but many years ago, you're still young, but you are still young teacher, as
Younger.
a younger teacher in DPS RK Puram. And then you went on to build these fantastic institutions. What do you think? I mean, defines an institution legacy beyond just the infrastructure and the great results. What
Hmm.
makes an institution an iconic institution that people look up to? I mean, let's start with this question now.
Okay. Thanks, Ankur. Thanks for firstly having me here, and thank you for the congratulations and wishes which you sent even personally. Uh, so I've always believed that once you strip away the test scores and the glossy brochures and the state of the art building, what is left is the actual heartbeat of an institution, right? And that heartbeat, in my opinion, rests on four very strong pillars which are non tangible. You have to feel them, you can't see them. The
Right.
first is the living culture and the psychological safety. I can't show it. You have to feel it. You have to hear about it. You have to see it. The second, I think, is helping teachers to cultivate competency over compliances. कि syllabus खत्म करना है, फटाफट करो, 5 क्वेश्चंस कराने, टिक मार्क लगाओ, कहानी खत्म करो. Third would be a very strong and robust co-curricular backbone that supports and aids academic learning. That's very important. And the fourth and last, I think, would be collaborative leadership, which means that, collaborating not just with your faculty, but also with students, with parents, and building what I call community trust. These 4 things are very important, and unfortunately, there is no way to measure them. How do you make a child feel safe inside a school? It could be with a smile, it could be the fact that teachers are very welcoming and they understand where the child is coming from. Helping teachers overcome this thing, ki, don't worry, syllabus till class 8th, the syllabus is in my hands, our hands. We only come under that scanner of board result, exams and all in the 9th and 10th. 8th तक हमको autonomy मिली है. So let's use that autonomy to do meaningful stuff that builds the child's competencies and skills and not just becomes a tick mark that I've done 7 chapters or I've done 45 questions and all the rest of it. And giving equal importance, I feel, to co-curriculars. Thankfully, with the NEP, music, dance, art, theatre and sports have been made a very strong and tangible part of academics. And I think that's very important. And I think children are looking for that as well. So these are the 4 things which I feel really build institutions and not just, look like a beautiful building and great results and all of that. Those are a byproduct. वो भी होएगा.
So I'm absolutely, I think many things you said are against generally acceptable trends. And in my own field, I get to interact with so many principals and teachers, and many of the times when you say, let's promote collaboration, and then they will say, अरे collaboration ही करेंगे सब लोग, तो competition ही तो inspire करता है लोगों को to give their best. आप तो collaboration की बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ तो competition है, तो दूसरे inspire हो रहे हैं to bring better and better. So this one thing I want you to just, because this is very important, and I feel I agree with you. Collaboration is very important, but the counter question is, अरे सर फिर meritocracy का क्या होगा अगर हम collaboration ही सब करने लगेंगे? तो that's a one challenge that I face. And the second thing that you said, co-curricular. And then when the moment the kid, you said 8th tak CBSE does not help us, but the moment the kid enters 9th, it's like everybody is like now with the blinders on. इसको ट्यूशन में डालो, इसको कोचिंग में डालो, मैम इसको तो बस यही करना है. And then school principals also, in my current discussions at IIM Ahmedabad also this week we were discussing this. They want to do the right things, but then they will say, अरे नहीं, but parents तो हमारे एक ऑफिस में आके बोलते हैं कि सर तैयारी कैसे करेगा बच्चा, वो next door school is doing this, they are having extra classes, how are you supposed to? So ma'am, how do you tackle these challenges in terms of collaboration के लिए obstacle and then co-curriculars के लिए obstacles, and how do you find the time, please?
So collaboration does not negate competition. Competition तो होएगा ही, हर चीज में होएगा बाद में. But why should it become a part of a child's daily life? A 6-year-old being told your painting is not good enough, and you therefore are coming 4th or 5th. I don't believe in that. Somehow,
absolutely,
I have always felt that we need to celebrate what a child knows and not keep harping out about what a child does not know. That has been my mantra with my teachers, with the faculty I look after, with the children. So I believe in having more festivals, Ankur, in the school, whether it's music, dance, art. अब रेस में मैं नहीं कह सकती फेस्टिवल ऑफ रेस एंड इवन द वन कमिंग 10th इज कमिंग फर्स्ट, वो तो नहीं हो सकता. बट इन आर्ट व्हेन एवरीबॉडी इज एक्सप्रेसिंग समथिंग, व्हाट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल टू यू अंकुर मे नॉट बी सो नाइस फॉर मी. Let's not sort of compartmentalize that or rank it, ye first hai, ye second hai, third hai. Celebration is a festival. Everybody's artwork is being celebrated. Yes, supposing there's a competition being organized by a museum in Japan, let children go there and there will be a competition. Let that benchmarking happen. मैं बचपन से स्कूल के अंदर नहीं करना चाहती, and somehow it has worked well for me. Nobody has asked me क्यों नहीं कर रही हैं आप. Nobody has, because our kids have done well, Perhaps there's an element of building confidence along with having a skill which has worked well. So a lot of our kids who do register abroad for functions, events, dances, music, etc., have come back with accolades. And स्कूल में कंपटीशन नहीं था कोई. स्कूल में वो कॉम्पिटेंसी बिल्ड करी हमने इस तरह से कि वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी आया और कॉम्पिटेंसी थी. उसको हमने दबाया नहीं कि अब आप फोर्थ हो तो आपको तो कोई प्राइज मिलेगा नहीं, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड को मिलेगा सिर्फ.
अच्छा, इसमें एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, किसी ने आज बोला है, बड़ी अच्छी लाइन थी, आई वांट टू शेयर हियर. somebody said यार स्कूल में और कॉलेजेस में दे टॉक अबाउट कंपटीशन कंपटीशन कंपटीशन. जैसे ही हम कंपनीज ऑफिसेज में आते हैं कहते हैं टीम वर्क, कोलैबोरेशन. तो they said यार, so somebody was there was this question that was put to us, what do you think schools don't teach, it should be taught, that is of use in real life. And many of them today, we had that word cloud, and one of the biggest word that came out was collaboration. Why are schools not teaching collaboration? This is a room full of principals. There were 54 principals there in the room. I think that says a lot, and that also says a lot about why you are celebrated, because you have already realized it. Or
it's worked well for us, you know, even at a time when this was not a buzzword. Collaboration is now a buzzword. It's seen as a 21st century skill. I'm talking about 1980s when I started teaching. हाँ, तो मैं उसको लेजीनेस बोलूं कि क्लेवरनेस बोलूं. आई हैड अ क्लास ऑफ 50 स्टूडेंट्स. अब 50 प्रोजेक्ट देखने की मेरी तो ना शक्ति थी, और मुझे भी ग्रेडिंग भी नहीं अच्छी लगती कि किसका अच्छा है किसका बुरा है. आई बेग पीपल कि मुझे प्लीज जज मत बनाओ, मुझे सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है. आई एंड अप कंफ्यूजिंग यू ऑल बाय गिविंग फुल मार्क्स टू एवरीबॉडी. सो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज आई यूज्ड टू मेक ग्रुप्स ऑफ 8 चिल्ड्रन. सो आई यूज्ड टू हैव ओनली अबाउट 6 ग्रुप्स. 8 बच्चों का ही में 9 हो गए बच्चे, कुछ ऐसा करके. आई वुड से नाउ यू मेक अ प्रोजेक्ट, वील प्रिपेयर इट हियर. आई डिडंट लाइक दोस बाजार वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स आइदर. यही बनेगा प्रोजेक्ट, जैसा भी बनेगा टूटा फूटा बनेगा. और हर ग्रुप के अंदर जो ईच चाइल्ड इज असाइंड अ टास्क. तो उसने एक बड़ी यंग एज में सीख लिया कि भाई दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन कैन नॉट राइट, बट इसको आर्ट वर्क बड़ा अच्छा था, तो इससे हम आर्ट वर्क करवा लेते हैं. साइड में रजिस्टर में डेकोरेशन ये करेगा. कोई और है उसको लाइब्रेरी बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, तो रिसर्च चलो मैं कर लेता हूँ. किसी और को कुछ और काम दे दिया. तो दे लर्न टू recognize and celebrate each other's strengths and weaknesses from a youngish age. I have not given it a title of collaboration, but it taught them a lot, and it made my life easier. I had to only go through 6 projects and not 50.
God bless you.
Worked well.
Worked beautifully, and that's why you are who you are, and their students have progressed so much in life. वो सबसे बड़ा एक टीचर के लिए ये होता है कि
वो मैं मानती हूँ. That is one of the things when you were talking about institution versus school. Institution brings back children. It's like a magnet.
Yeah. And I think that focus on that the child is the focus of whatever we are doing.
Absolutely.
The teacher or whoever it is the stakeholders. The child and his success is our success. I think that bounding feeling is part of institution building. Absolutely. And so, I mean, I just want to also talk about your phenomenal work at, I think, more than 2 decades at DPS Gurgaon, Sector 45. I remember when we were having the podcast, you said when you joined, it was just a piece of land, and you went with your husband, and आपके husband ने बोला कि ये बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा, तो आपने बोला ये हो जाएगा. तो your husband said, देख लो तुम्हारे साथ, you were on the target because you will be the headmistress.
Yes.
So that belief that you knew that it will happen, and you had your own experiences at DPS RK Puram, DPS Vasant Kunj, and then DPS Maruti Kunj. You also told me आप मारुति के उसमें भी थे. So what in the early years, what were the hardest thing for you to build for DPS Sector 45? I mean, was it the system, the culture? You're building a school from scratch. How do you build trust in the community? I mean, a lot of those things. Or क्या चीजें हैं मैम जो you think are very hard? Again, you talked about the intangible things that cannot be measured. But और भी कुछ आपका reflection on those years?
So I think the first thing, see, I did not have any administrative experience, and I think that worked well for me. तो ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ करूंगी तो लोग बुरा नहीं मानेंगे कि यंग है, इसको नहीं पता, कभी नहीं किया. So I had very fixed notions, like I have, and I still believe in that schools should not need marketing. Marketing is for a commodity. We are not commodities. तो सबसे पहले मैंने उसका किया कि मार्केटिंग नहीं होगी, So management did ask, how will people know? I said, it's a DPS. People will get to know. They will hear about it. आएंगे लोग. Don't worry about it. अब जब आए लोग तो उनको भी ये डाउट था कि स्कूल बनेगा कि नहीं. तो वो आई थिंक दैट वाज माय स्ट्रेंथ, दैट आई वाज मैनेज टू कन्विंस देम कि देखिए मैं भी तो एक स्कूल छोड़ के आई हूँ. मैं यहाँ 12-12 घंटे काम कर रही हूँ. मैं पागल तो नहीं हूँ ना. तो आई एम कन्विंस्ड हो जाएगा. ये हो सकता है कि 31 मार्च को ना हो, 10 अप्रैल को हो जाए, बट इट विल हैपन. डोंट वरी. देन little bits of conviction, like I don't think children, like I told you, I don't like competition. I like festivals, I like celebration. I also don't like children below a certain age to be assessed. I don't like it. So मैंने कहा कि प्री नर्सरी था, नर्सरी प्रेप 1-2 में टेस्टिंग नहीं होगी. तो पहले महीने में तो 10-12 पेरेंट आ गए कि आपने टेस्ट नहीं किया. मैंने कहा हमारे इंटरनल असेसमेंट्स हो रहे हैं, और इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट और एनीथिंग व्हिच आई नीड टू पुट अ रेड फ्लैग ऑन, वी विल कॉल यू. नहीं, देयर शुड बी अ टेस्ट. सो देन माय बैक आल्सो वेंट अप. आई सेड शुड, यू विल डिसाइड. सो दे सेड नहीं मैम, प्रीवियस स्कूल में होता था. मैंने कहा फिर आप छोड़ के क्यों आए? कुछ फर्क के लिए आए होंगे ना आप. तो फर्क यही है कि टेस्ट नहीं होगा. नहीं, बट वी वांटेड टेस्ट. फिर आप वापस जाइए, आई विल रिफंड द एंटायर सम टू यू. अब बोल तो दिया, फिर जान सूख गई कि मान लो रिफंड ना हुआ फिर.
सही बात.
बट आई सपोज इट वाज द कन्विक्शन और मे बी द इनिशियल ट्रस्ट दैट पेरेंट्स सेड कि इतनी कन्विक्शन से बोल रही हैं तो कुछ सही ही होगा. तो आज दिन तक हमारे यहाँ असेसमेंट नहीं होते, क्लास 2 तक नहीं होते. आई विल नॉट हैव इट. So when a parent comes to me for admission and I say, okay, bring them on the 7th of February, for example. नहीं, उस दिन तो उसका एग्जाम है. मैं कहा 4 बरस का कौन सा एग्जाम दे रहा है? नहीं मैम, उनके स्कूल में एग्जाम होता है. फिर मैं चुप हो जाती हूँ. ठीक है. So these were some things that I began with, which were very difficult to break the mold. की मार्केटिंग होती थी, there were hoardings. मैंने होर्डिंग नहीं लगाए. मैं एग्जाम नहीं करूंगी छोटे बच्चों का, चाहे आपको कितना भी बुरा लगे. Trying to, I wanted to bring parents with me. That was a tough part because a lot of them came with their preconceived notions. So उनको वो notion हटाना and then to make them to think my way was a little bit of a problem. But I've always believed in this power of conversation, Ankur. So the more you talk, the more you try and convince, the more you explain why you're doing what you're doing, I think it works very well. So that worked in my favor, and I'm very happy with the fact that at least 95% parents who join us in pre-nursery carry on till class 12 unless they get transferred out. And there are several, not one or two, about thousands who get transferred. When they come back, they re-come to our school. And even if I don't have a place, I do want to give them, that space, because there's a different kind of trust. कि वो वापस आए, यहाँ 5 स्कूल और खुल गए in the meantime, but they have still chosen to come to us.
Wow. And I just, again, I was in the class today. They were talking about leaders and principals as leaders, and couple of lines that you have your lived experience. And they say, I mean, being fair and just is the most compassionate act that a leader can do. You are a leader of the school. You were the founding principal. You're a leader now, but at that point of time, young principal. But if they believe you know what you're doing. And then just being fair and communicating. I think that part you said, I believe in communicating is very important. Bringing them on board, making them a collaborator in what you're trying to do and getting them together. I think these things that you have already exhibited at that early age of DPS, I think that helped you. And that finally, I think kind of what we do is, I mean, as somebody who has just met you for the last couple of years, we respect you because we know what you are doing is just and fair, and you are a person that we can, I think trust is the word that I can use here, that we can trust on your, that conviction that you have in what you are trying to do, and we believe in your vision. I think that is the job of a leader and somebody who is looking at building institutions rather than just a school and leaving a legacy. I think that those traits are very important somewhere. In what you just said, I think those are the things that I could filter out. But thank you so much, ma'am. And what are those signs that you believe that you start seeing when you think that ये अब institution बन रहा है? This is not just another organization, another school, but अब ये बन रहा है institution. What was that inflection point for you? Maybe at your DPS in Gurgaon.
So marketing was already stopped in year 1.
अच्छा, मार्केटिंग में एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. मार्केटिंग में अभी आपने बोला मार्केटिंग आपको पसंद नहीं है, बट अभी when we fly in airlines, I mean I see those magazine ads. इंडिगो की एड मैगजीन होगी, उसके अंदर 30 to 40% ऑफ एड्स आर एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, एंड समटाइम्स आई आल्सो फील, एंड those are not cheap ads, those are like expensive ads. 10-12 लाख रुपए की एड है वो एक महीने की, and then it is magazine is out of, so but people are still, and education in Times of India आप देख लीजिए, billboards, hoardings, and there's so much
So,
pressure. So how do you manage that?
so I
Again,
think
वही
इनिशियल
competition.
देखो, हाँ, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ ना, इनिशियल में मे बी फॉर अवेयरनेस, मे बी अ कपल ऑफ होर्डिंग्स आर नाउ रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज बहुत स्कूल हो गए, बहुत
हाँ,
लोग हो गए, सिटीज आर ग्रोइंग, सिटीज आर एक्सपेंडिंग. आई एम नॉट जजिंग एनीबडी. सो इनिशियल एक कहीं आपने ऐड डाल दिया फुल पेज का, या आपने कहीं अच्छे सी होर्डिंग लगा दी, एक्सेप्टेबल. इट शुड नॉट बिकम अ मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी कि आपने पूरी एक एजेंसी रख ली है. अब जितना बजट था वो, मतलब उसका पता चला 50% मार्केटिंग में ही जा रहा है. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इंस्टीट्यूशन में जब आपको ये लगे कि मुझे इस साल सिर्फ 200 बच्चे लेने हैं और आपके पास एप्लीकेशन आ जाए 600 के विदाउट एनी एडवर्टाइजिंग, दैट्स द फर्स्ट इंडिकेटर कि कुछ आप सही कर रहे हो. दैट 600 people have heard about you by word of mouth in their colonies, in their offices, in their maybe kitty parties, and they have spoken well about you.
well about it.
So
I think that is a very important, satisfying your existing customers and
the
education, and then they becoming your word of mouth and talking in their own small
So
circles that
yeah,
this
so
is where it is.
I always tell parents that you are my ambassadors. I've never thought of them as clients or customers. I said, you are parents, you are my partners in bringing
Partners.
up a child. And therefore, you become my ambassador and the child is my model. Because they model a certain behavior which somebody else may like. And then if the parent is nice enough, they'll say, भैया school नहीं सिखाया है, हमने नहीं बोला ये कि your hair should be cut in a certain way or you should walk in a certain way, or when you meet somebody older, this is how you should greet them. वो हमने reinforce करा है, After home and school have to work together, Ankur. I can't do it alone. I cannot be so boastful कि सभी कुछ हमने कर डाला. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
I agree. I mean, all the good principles that I need, they talk about the strong bond that has to be between the teacher, school, and the parent.
I'll share with you a story.
बताइए.
We began with about 1,200 children. तो day one तो ठीक था. Day one के previous eve of the day one, I was in school till about 11:30 at night trying to see कि कहीं पर कोई loophole तो नहीं जहाँ पे बच्चा कूद जाएगा. Because the school was not, it had just been completed. तो जब मुझे सब safe लगा तो मैं घर चली गई. Next morning I was there on time and school started. We were very happy. Assembly हुई. We sang some generic songs जो हर school में गाए जाते हैं. छुट्टी के time पे there was pandemonium. अटर क्योस. जबकि मैंने बड़ी क्लियरली बोला था कि बस वाले बच्चे इस रूम में जाएंगे और जो प्राइवेटली जाते हैं वो इस रूम में जाएंगे, एंड जस्ट कामली वी विल डिस्पर्स देम. बट वो एकदम से फर्स्ट डे का पैनिक, पेरेंट्स भी जूझ रहे. एट दैट टाइम आई मस्ट हैव लुक्ड अ लिटिल लॉस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज रादर यंग एंड आई वाज लुकिंग अराउंड कि नाउ हाउ डू आई मैनेज, शुड आई शाउट, शुड आई विसल, क्या करूं. Two parents got up from among that crowd and they said, can we all be quiet, can you see she's trying.
Absolutely.
And I immediately looked at one of the gentlemen and I said, thank you. I just mouthed the words, thank you. He came towards my side. This other lady came and they started herding along with the. Somehow, when the parents came to help me, the rest of the parent body moved back 5 steps. And the rest of the dispersal happened in maybe 3.5 or 4 minutes. Conveniently, coolly, calmly. That one occasion, and I obviously sat with both these parents and I talked with them. I still remember both of them very, very fondly. And that lesson for me was that if I want to make my school different, if I want to have a great institution, parents are partners.
Yeah.
In the real sense, not just in words, कि you're my partner, let's bring up a child together. Now we started making them partners in looking at safety audits, in trips and tours, in calendar, in discipline, you name it, and they're part of the school.
That is the very important observation. And I think when you mentioned first time you saw 2 parents stand up and to support, I think you had gained their trust, and that went on
immediately.
Yeah, and that really, and I think all good. This is again worth its weight in gold. Any school leader listening or entrepreneur thinking of building a school should understand this, that you have to bring the parents along and make them a part of the journey of your institution. If you don't do that,
And
it
never
can.
see lot of principals and management see parents as adversaries. They cannot be. जिसने अपना बच्चा आपको दे दिया, the child is the most important part of their life. When they have
Yeah,
trusted you with that child, they are not your adversary. They may question you from time to time. So the idea is be open. When we even do things like budgets, involve them in that.
yeah,
Have an open
yeah.
thing that this is the revenue coming in, this is the expense. आप खुद देख लीजिए. And they should see the expense. They should see कि हर साल स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स बढ़ रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर्स बढ़ गए, आपने ATL लैब भी खोल लिया. They should see, it should be tangibly done. इसके पास समय नहीं है, that's also good news. जो पेरेंट आपके स्कूल में नहीं आ रहा रोज, वो भी एक तरह की गुड न्यूज है, that he or she trusts the school completely. उसको मैसेजेस भेजिए. I mean, with WhatsApp you can do all that, ना? Just share that this is the
Yeah,
new thing which your
yeah.
school has done.
Yeah, and sometimes, I mean, I again really, really interesting. You have to communicate well with your parents and have complete transparency. Most of the time, schools fear the parent. They feel like आप fees दे दीजिए, उसके बाद we don't want to see you, and then
Yes.
put your child to us and probably come once in the PTM or दो आप बात कर लीजिएगा class teacher से, that's about it.
No.
If parents who want to inquire or support the school, I think that's why you stand out again. Most of the times when I talk, it's like नहीं वो पेरेंट थोड़े पुशी हैं, बहुत सारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बने
अच्छी
हैं
बात है.
पेरेंट्स के.
आ जाओ. Come and be pushy over here. I'd love it. Push whatever you want. करो.
सही है. So that is what I mean. So again, that comes from the conviction that you have, that you are being fair, you are doing the right thing, you know what you are doing. It is for the benefit of the child. It is not something that you are doing hanky panky and you want to
That's why it's all in the open, huh?
all in the open. So that confidence that you have is because you are doing the right thing and you are
Yes.
focused on the right aspect of building an institution, and that's how institutions are built. They are not built by shortchanging things that you don't want to be talking about.
Yeah.
I know we have just 2 minutes left. I know, see, there are almost 90 people there. If you have anything that you want to ask Aditi ma'am, you can put it in the chat box, but we only have a couple of minutes and then we have Dr. Ashwin coming in. So I want to give this moment to you. Meanwhile, I mean, my final question to you, ma'am. I mean, now you have been, now you are also leading Dharav schools in Jaipur, and then new projects. You're now the director principal of all the 5 schools.
Not principal, I'm only director now.
Director
of all the 5 schools.
So for us, it's like principals of principals. I think you can
Yes,
have a master
perhaps.
class. Yes. So that is how we addressed you when I was in your schools in Jaipur. So I just want to now understand, what do people remember the most? I mean, the buildings, the achievements of the school, or the values or the culture. What in your lived experience is you have worked with so many students, so many families. When they meet you, what is that one thing that they talk about fondly?
If it's a parent, he or she remembers something I may have said. I would have forgotten it because I don't write my speeches. I speak from the heart, and it could be something bothering me that day. मैं उसी की बात कर लेती हूँ उनसे. So parents remember that one little nugget which they thought was a nugget. Children remember not academics. They remember the stage.
Okay.
When were they on stage? They remember the date. They remember their position. They remember their lines. They remember their steps. They remember just that. Teachers remember how we made them feel while they were with us. I try and make it a point to make teachers feel valued. तो जब result आता है, it sounds odd to many principals because they call the teachers of class 12th and they congratulate them. मैं पूरे बुलाती हूँ pre nursery because तुमने तो ABC सिखाया, फिर ने word formation सिखाया, तब तो ये बने इस लायक कि इनके 95% आए. So I congratulate the whole lot of them because the journey began there. and that makes them feel very good. And I make sure they all know. It is not that pre-nursery will not know what's happening in senior school, or senior school does not know कि वहाँ पे एक science festival हुआ जहाँ बच्चा saw an egg hatch. सबको सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. Everybody is invested very deeply in the school.
I mean, this conversation should go on. I mean, this is like a master class. You should be here at IIM Ahmedabad teaching one of the classes.
So I'll
I
end
mean,
with just two little comments which I had, which have stayed with me over the years. One was a student of mine who I taught in Vasant Kunj. She passed out in 1999, long back. So jate samay, she sent me a card. It was a very sweet card, but the lines have still make me smile. She says, "Ma'am, you're the only person, capital only, who both my parents and I like."
what a compliment to have. What a beautiful message. Wow. I just still remember it.
I remember. And then there was this parent who wrote to me after his daughter passed out. He says, "I've told my daughter that whenever she's in any doubt and she's at a crossroad, just close your eyes and think of what Aditi ma'am would say."
Hare Krishna.
मेरे तो आँख में आंसू आ गए थे.
मेरे तो सुन के ही अभी इतना अच्छा मेरे भाव आ गए कि हमें तो प्रभु याद आ गए. But thank you so much. What an honor to celebrate you, and what a moment for us to host you. I mean, more power to you. May you grow, keep impacting lives, and we need more people like you, educationists like you in schools in our country and globally. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank
Really
you,
an
Uncle.
honor.
Very enjoyable
Thank you so much.
conversation. Thanks. Bye bye.